My beautiful people, this video is just to introduce you my second profession as a trailer driver. I live here in Germany, though right now I'm in Belgium, and I have come to take a load to back to Germany. So in case if you are looking for some information about this profession, trailer driving, or as a trailer driver professionally, I can as well supply you the little that I know. And I will try to carry you along in this channel, and so to show you, because this channel I have seen most of the times I will just sit down and rant about what is going on in our country, Nigeria. However, there are some other information that I still have that might benefit one or two person out there. So don't hesitate to like, share. If you like the like as a trailer driver, the life as a trailer driver update, I will bring it on in this channel. And I will not forget to rant, because you hear name and buy things are happening, and we need to speak it. We need to say it as much as you can. Whatever you think you know you want to say, don't say it behind the scene. Say it maybe sometime, somewhere. It might make sense. Any idea anyone has, bringing it on, in as much you are not speaking out of sense. So anything you think you have, bringing it on the social media is what I do here. So on my channel, here is my channel, and I will not only bring our situation in our country, Nigeria, but as well I will carry you along my update as a trailer driver, professional trailer driver in Europe. I will tell you, as you can see, this is inside my truck, and here now, so many people are waiting for to be called. So I'm one of them, and I want to use this opportunity to talk to you and rant. Remain blessed, and bye.